Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glamorous Fashion. How are you all friends? I hope you are all fine and doing good. So my dear friends, in today's video I will show you the most beautiful and trendy brown leathers block heel shoe design ideas in this video. I hope you are gonna love this collection and you are gonna find this collection very happy for your YouTube videos. These are all latest and trendy fashion you can see in my videos. I hope you love it. You are gonna love this collection and you are gonna find this collection very happy for your YouTube videos. So my dear friends, I am suggesting you to watch this video till the end. You can get great designs and great ideas from my videos. Many more beautiful designs and many more beautiful ideas you can explore in this video. I hope you love it. All the designs are very latest and trendy in fashion, as you can see. This is very beautiful and trendy shoe design ideas. I hope you love it. I love also these types of beautiful shoe design ideas. If you are new on my channel, I hope you love it and you like it. This is very beneficial for you. These types of leather shoe design ideas are very trendy in fashion, as you can see in my videos. These look more enhanced and more confident to you. So my dear friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please click the bell icon. You will get notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video any collection on my YouTube channel. So my dear friends, please support my channel by sharing my videos with your friends and family members and also relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. We will meet in our next video with great and awesome ideas.